Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into something super cool that's going to give your Android phone a fresh new vibe. We're talking about getting a sneak peek into Google's highly anticipated Pixel 10 series, specifically their brand new ringtone, notification, and alarm sounds. And the best part, you can get them on any Android phone and absolutely no root access is required. This is a fantastic way to upgrade your phone's auditory experience without any hassle. What are these exciting new sounds we're talking about? With the upcoming Pixel 10 series, Google is set to introduce some truly distinctive audio cues. We've got the next adventure, Kernel Fresh Morning. Now, for those of you who are already proud owners of a Pixel phone, especially one equipped with Google's powerful Tensor processor, you've got a slightly more streamlined path. We've managed to get our hands on a leaked ringtone app, directly ported from what we believe to be the Pixel 10 Pro. This app will include all these new ringtones and sounds by default, integrating seamlessly with your Pixel system. It's incredibly simple. Just download the APK file from the description below. Install it like any other app, and these new sounds should appear in your sound settings, ready to be selected. But what about everyone else? What about all you millions of Android users out there who might not have a Pixel or a phone with a Tensor chip? Don't you worry, we've got you absolutely covered. For all other Android phones, whether it's a Samsung, OnePlus, Xiaomi, or any other brand, we've meticulously compiled these new sounds into a convenient zip file. This includes the next adventure as your new ringtone, Kernel for your notifications, and Fresh Morning as your upgraded alarm sound. First, head down to the description of this video and download the zip file. Once downloaded, you'll need to unzip the file to access the individual high-quality audio tracks. You can usually do this right on your phone with a file manager, or on a computer and then transfer them over. Then, simply navigate to your phone's sound settings. The exact path might vary slightly depending on your Android version and manufacturer, but generally, you'll go to settings greater than sound and vibration greater than phone ringtone notification, sound, alarm sound. From there, you'll be able to browse your storage and manually select these new audio files that you just unzipped. If you found this video helpful, if you're excited about these new sounds, or if you simply appreciate us digging up these cool finds, please smash that like button. Let me know in the comments below which of these new sounds is your favorite. The next adventure, Kernel or Fresh Morning. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching this video.